Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of the discussion on the science. Today, before passing through the circuit element actually, before passing through the circuit elements, I think we should talk about how this circuit element made up. They actually, most of them, actually what I am discussing about them, let's specify this, is a van in and RC circuit. Elements made up from the conductors. Of course, we are not thinking the battery, not battery. Let's specify it. Okay. By the way, let's give a brief information about the RC circuit. RC circuit is a type of a circuit. Just includes a resistor and lovely capacitor. But we are not today interested in these topics. We are interested in mainly conductors. Okay, I'm talking about the static case. In the circuit, the case is not about the static. But I really found interesting the nature of the conductors, because conductors has such a shape. I mean, let's figure out this. Let's assume this is a conductor. I hope it's okay. Yes. Oh, okay. This is a conductor. I'm bad at the drawing. This is a conductor, isn't it? Oh, again, this is a turbo, by the way. Let's draw this again. Okay. This is a conductor. This is a piece of conductor. Conductor has such a structure that the electrons has moment of availability. The electrons has, actually let's write this in a better way. Moment of electrons. Moment of electrons is available. Why? Because they are free to move. Okay, the word "the free" is really important. I mean, I don't know, daily life, many of the people don't care, but in physics, in engineer, free is really important word. Okay, the main logic of the conductor is based on the word of free. Okay, so in conductor, electrons make such a movement until inside the conductor is zero. How this is possible? So the electrons move. They want to go out, but they couldn't go out from their outside the sphere. They're the surface. They stuck in the surface. Okay. Yes. The electrons stuck in the surface. Okay. So inside the conductor, electric field equal to zero. I mean, this is really interesting, isn't it? I'm so surprised when I first hear it, but this is fact. This is really happening. We say the static case. We're talking about the static, by the way. I have to specify it. Static. But the charge moves. So interesting. I mean, by the way, static means that charge not move. Okay, this is opposite meaning. So I surprised why charge moves in the system. But this happens. Maybe the time fraction of 1 second, or maybe 100 fraction of 1 second. I mean, this so it is happening so fast. Okay, so this is fascinating. This is a fascinating thing. Again, I just want to say that main logic of the conductor is the charge moves to the surface, and inside the conductor electric field is zero for the static cases. Moment of electrons is available, charges free to move. Let's write again. Electrons are free to move. Okay. Next time I will talk about non-static case, which includes our main logic circuit. Give some clue. Give some clues. But this next time could be after the learning capacitor passing through the resistors. Because actually resistor made up from to the conductors. It's another interesting thing. But we say that in circuit, the current flow plus minus. So there's a flow of current. But we talk in the conductors, there is no current flow in the conductor because it is not possible. I just curious about that. Just thinking the static case. Is there any current could passing through this conductor? I will give it 2 seconds. Maybe stop the video. Just think on it. Okay. Again, it's not about this lecture, but I just want to say brief information that actually current passing through there. And this is to give the main logic of the R circuits. I will discuss next time about this situation, but think on it. Maybe that's confusing a bit. Maybe my purpose is confused you. But you should think, you have an intuition on that. The main purpose of this channel is that. It's not just watching the video, passing or subscribe the channel or write a ridiculous comment to my channel. I mean, or supportive comments, by the way. Thanks for all of the comments. But you should think on that. You should think non-static case. You should think static case. Even if I didn't understand you, I didn't tell you how the non-static case happens, you should imagine that. I give the clue to you, okay? Let's make a really quick outline of the static case, okay? Static case. When I say to you the conductor in static case, you should think electron can move in the conductor. They has a free movement. They are free in the conductor, not in the world, of course, but in the conductor they are free and go through the surface. Okay. So inside the electric field is equal to 0. I tell you what, but the main reason why electrons goes through the surface is make the electric field inside is 0. So again, movement of electrons is available in conductor. Because of this availability, the electric field inside the conductor is 0. So until the charges goes to surface, the electric field become decreasing and when charges approximately near to the surface or just on the surface, the electric field become 0. Okay, this is really important. Free. This word free. Whenever you see the free, you should remember this. Free is an important word. Okay. Today, that's all I want to talk about this. Thank you for listening. Please write comments on the below because I really appreciate all of them. That's all of the comments motivate me. Bad, good, ridiculous, logical, supportive or not. But just write, just think on that. The thinking on that is enough for me. If you subscribe to my channel, I realize how many people really listen to me. Okay.